What if I told you people are walking into courtrooms with no lawyer, just ChatGPT? From traffic tickets to small claims disputes and even family court filings, AI is quietly becoming a legal assistant for everyday people. But is this a smart workaround or a dangerous shortcut? Before we go any further, let's be crystal clear. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. This is not legal advice. ChatGPT is not a lawyer, and nothing in this video should be used as a substitute for professional legal counsel. Now let's break down what's actually happening. The main reason is simple: cost and access. Hiring a lawyer can easily cost hundreds or thousands of dollars, sometimes more than the value of the dispute itself. For many people, especially in traffic court, landlord-tenant disputes, or small claims court, hiring an attorney just isn't realistic. ChatGPT offers something that feels revolutionary: instant answers, plain English explanations, help drafting documents, guidance on court procedures. To someone overwhelmed by legal language, AI can feel like a lifeline. People aren't just asking legal questions, they're using ChatGPT in very specific ways. 1. Drafting legal documents. Users are asking ChatGPT to help write motions, demand letters, responses to lawsuits, small claims filings, traffic ticket appeals. The AI helps structure documents, format arguments, and translate legal jargon into readable language. 2. Preparing court arguments. Some users ask ChatGPT to summarize their case, identify possible defenses, anticipate opposing arguments, practice responses to judge questions. In essence, ChatGPT becomes a mock legal coach, helping people feel more prepared. 3. Understanding legal procedures. Court systems are confusing. People use ChatGPT to ask, what happens at an arraignment? What's the difference between a motion and a petition? What deadlines matter most? This kind of procedural clarity is one of AI's strongest benefits. 4. Self-representation support. In many jurisdictions, people already represent themselves, called pro se litigants. ChatGPT is often used as a support tool, not a full replacement, helping users avoid basic mistakes. Here's where the danger comes in. ChatGPT is not licensed. It cannot represent you in court, give jurisdiction-specific legal advice, interpret laws the way a licensed attorney can. Laws are highly context-dependent. Legal outcomes depend on local statutes, court precedents, judge discretion, procedural nuances. ChatGPT may give answers that sound confident, but are incomplete, outdated, or flat-out wrong for your situation. AI can hallucinate legal citations. There have already been real cases where lawyers and non-lawyers submitted filings containing fake cases and citations generated by AI. Judges do not take this lightly. That's not a minor mistake. It can result in fines, sanctions, or case dismissal. Used responsibly, ChatGPT can still be valuable. It works best as a legal education tool, a brainstorming assistant, a drafting helper that requires human verification, a way to better understand what questions to ask a real lawyer. Many attorneys themselves now use AI to speed up research and drafting, but always with professional oversight. Judges and courts are increasingly aware that AI is influencing filings. Some courts are requiring disclosure if AI was used, warning against unverified AI content, updating rules of professional conduct. This signals something important. AI is not going away, but accountability still matters. This trend highlights a deeper issue: access to justice. People aren't using ChatGPT because they don't value lawyers. They're using it because legal help is often inaccessible, expensive, or intimidating. AI is filling a gap, but it's not fixing the system. Once again, and this cannot be overstated, this video is not legal advice. ChatGPT is not a lawyer, and using AI does not replace professional legal counsel. If your freedom, finances, or rights are at risk, consult a qualified attorney. AI can help people understand the legal world, but stepping into court without proper legal guidance can have permanent consequences. If you found this breakdown helpful, Consider subscribing for more deep dives into how AI is reshaping real-world industries and the risks no one talks about.